Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to display image in HTML. We need HTML tag, img and its some properties or attributes. Source, we need path and its file name. Suppose 1.jpg, we have title, picture 1, alter text, picture 1, alter text. We're gonna test picture. We can see, we can add more picture. CRUD.jpg, t.jpg. You can see 3 picture here. You can manage the width height with another attributes, width and height. Width suppose 100, height 100. With height we have set. We can set the style with inline tag 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. You can see picture 1, picture 2, picture 3 title. Suppose no picture or path here. You can see alter text. Picture 1, alter text. We did the style with inline tag. We can take this outside of the tag with class. Suppose pick size. We set class and its name. Can set more properties here. Suppose padding 10 pixel, got padding. We can set more attributes if you want. Suppose on click event, we can set about 1, 2, 3. On click for getting alert. Here we will write our JavaScript function. Thanks for watching this tutorial.